Today, we are building Curtis a new car wash.
Excuse me.
Sorry, Roley. The car drives in here. The mainframe moves over the car. The brushes spin around to give it a clean and...
Beep, beep. Sorry, I've missed a bit.
Bob, I thought my car wash would be up and running by now.
Sorry, Curtis. Roll is still rolling.
It's done. The tarmac is flat.
Hooray!
Right. Our first job is to assemble the mainframe and lower it onto these runners. Leo, you're in charge of connecting the car wash to the water supply.
You got it, Bob.
Wendy, we'll need the control console fitted here.
I'm on it.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can.
Now that's what I call a proper car wash.
Curtis, will you start it for us?
I'd be honored to, Bob.
The brushes are turning nicely on their axles. Mainframe running smoothly.
Everybody wait! I think I should roll the tarmac out some more.
Why, Roley?
There might be bits of tarmac swishing around the car wash.
Tell you what, Roley, why doesn't Leo do another test run just for you? Then you can watch everything closely, and if there's any loose tarmac, you can roll it out later.
Thanks, Bob.
Green is for go.
Uh-oh, I can see some loose tarmac. I'll just roll them flat.
Roley, watch out! Stop!
Oh, no! Oh, no!
Don't worry, Roley. We'll soon have you out of there.
Oh no, how did this happen?
It's my fault. I didn't listen. Leo said not to go in when it was running, but I was too busy rolling.
Let's get Roley out of that mainframe first. Slowly, Roley. The brushes have popped out, but that's what they're designed to do. No real damage to the mainframe, but we're going to need another console. Okay, everyone. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can!
Well, that looks a lot better. But will it work?
As long as the mainframe resets itself, we're back in business.
Hooray! As good as new.